Can you tell if a number is divisible by 7 without actually dividing it? Try this. Is 9,387 divisible by 7? Most people would start long division and lose time. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you divisibility rules from 1 to 20, so you can spot answers instantly, especially in exams. So let's break this down step by step. Rule 1. Every number is divisible by 1, so that's free marks. Example, 100 is divisible by 1. Rule 4.2. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even. That means the last digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Example, 76 is divisible by 2 because the last digit is 6. Rule 4.3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. For example, 543. 5 plus 4 plus 3 equals 12. 12 is divisible by 3, so 543 is divisible by 3. Rule 4.4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits of the number are divisible by 4. For example, 112. The last two digits are 12, and 12 is divisible by 4, therefore 112 is divisible by 4. Rule 4.5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit ends in 0 or 5. Example, 135. It ends in 5, therefore it is divisible by 5. Rule 4.6. This is a combo. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Example, 162. It is divisible by 2 because it is even. The digits add to 9, so it is divisible by 3. Therefore, 162 is divisible by 6. Rule 4.7. Pay attention. This rule is a bit tricky. For 7, use this trick. Take the last digit of the number, double it, subtract from the rest of the number. For example, 343. The last digit is 3. Double it is 6. Now subtract it from the rest. 34 minus 6 is 28, and 28 is divisible by 7. Therefore, 343 is divisible by 7. Rule 4.8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits are divisible by 8. Example, 1024. The last three digits are 0, 2, 4. 24 is divisible by 8, therefore 1024 is divisible by 8. Rule 4.9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Example, 243. 2 plus 4 plus 3 equals 9. Therefore, 243 is divisible by 9. Rule 4.10. A number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. Example, 720 is divisible by 10. Rule 4.11. For 11, use this trick. Alternate sum rule. Add digits in odd positions and subtract digits in even positions. If the result is 0 or a multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. For 11, we will solve two examples. Example 1, 165. The digits in the odd positions are 1 and 5, and the digit in the even position is 6. 1 minus 6 plus 5 equals 0. Therefore, 165 is divisible by 11. Example 2, 957. 9 minus 5 plus 7 equals 11. Therefore, 957 is divisible by 11. Rule 4.12. A number is divisible by 12 if the number is divisible by 3 and 4. Example, 108. The digit sum is 9, which is divisible by 3. And the last two digits are 0, 8, which are divisible by 4. Therefore, 108 is divisible by 12. Rule for 13. For 13, use this trick. Multiply the last digit by 4, add to the remaining number. Example, 247. The last digit is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 24 plus 28 equals 52. 52 is divisible by 13. Therefore, 247 is divisible by 13. Rule for 14. A number is divisible by 14 if the number is divisible by 2 and 7. Example, 56. 56 is even and is also divisible by 7. Therefore, 56 is divisible by 14. Rule for 15. A number is divisible by 15 if the number is divisible by 3 and 5. Example, 255. The last digit is 5, and the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 15. Rule for 16. A number is divisible by 16 if the number formed by its last 4 digits is divisible by 16. Example, 24032. The last 4 digits are 4032, which are divisible by 16. So 24,032 is divisible by 16. Rule for 17. To check if a number is divisible by 17, subtract 5 times the last digit from the rest of the number. If the result is divisible by 17, including 0, then the original number is 2. Rule for 18. A number is divisible by 18 if the number is even and divisible by 9. For example, 1062. The number ends in 2, which is even, and the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So 1062 is divisible by 9. Rule for 19. For 19, use this trick. Add 2 times the last digit to the rest of the number. If the result is divisible by 19, so is the original. Example, 437. The last digit is 7. The remaining number is 43. 43 plus 7 times 2 equals 57. Since 19 times 3 equals 57, therefore 437 is divisible by 19. Rule for 20. A number is divisible by 20 if the last digit is 0 and the second to last digit is even. Example, 4,860 ends in 60. 4,860 is divisible by 20. And that is literally everything you need to know for divisibility rules. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe for math videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.